Hello students, how are you? I hope everything is fine. Today what we are going to do, we are start making a beautiful doll using these newspapers. What we are going to do it first, we are going to take the paper and cut the size of this paper. Okay, like this size. This should be the size. By taking any kind of sticks, we are going to roll it like this and make the rolls of the newspaper properly. We can make the rolls and we will make the rolls like this. So many rolls we will get to make that doll. And for the base, what we are going to do, we are going to take one stick and take a glue and insert one in this like this to make it a length and then fold it. This is the exact length we need for a doll. And what we are going to do for that, this is a base, and after that what we are going to do, we are going to add its arms, leaving 1/3 portion, okay, for the head over here. And then again, by using two sticks, we are using to add it over here for the body. Okay, we will stick it first so that it will be stick properly. You can use that Fevicol also, okay, and stick it properly over here and add 4 layers, 2 on this side, 2 on this side. And when we will add over there, we will get the body like that, like this. And here I hold it properly and turn one of the stick from here. एक stick लेके यहाँ से I just wrap it on over there to make the body. Okay, done. After that, when we have to make the upper body, again we are going to wrap it over here like this and paste it properly with the Fevicol. For the head, what we are going to do again, take one of the newspaper and give it the shape of the oval shape, because our faces are mostly, when we are going to make it over there, we are using oval shapes, and hold it properly, apply a Fevicol meanwhile and tightly make the face. It will be difficult for you, but it will be easy when you're going to try it. Like this, you have to make the face and cover it properly. After that, apply the Fevicol over the head. You can make a cap over there like this. Again, for the cap, you can make a roll of the newspapers. Just slightly push it up and keep it over there on the head according to the size of the head. And after that, as I said that we already make arms on the sides. What you can do, you can make the arms on the head also like that, one on this. That's your choice how you want to make. Now for the lower part, how you can make that frills of the red paper. You can add some of the papers like that over there. Okay, 1 2 3, how much you need, you want how much you frill over there. And then after that, cut the whole part which is unnecessary. When you are going to add everything over here, everything it becomes a body. It becomes a body like that. As I said, you can make its hat, you can make its basket. When you going to press it over there, it becomes like a basket like this, as I did that. You can just hold it over here, you can keep it over there, that's your choice. After that, when it's done, what you have to do, you have to take a water as well as your Fevicol, and then add water with Fevicol. Mix the water with Fevicol paste and apply on the body of the doll. And when it will be totally covered, you can add also tissue papers, that's your choice. When it will be totally dried up, then we have to color it. And which colors we have to use? We have to use acrylic colors, because acrylic colors are glossy. The color choice of the colors, that is yours, that you can use a dark color, you can use a light color, that's your choice. And for the base, that is necessary because we have to get it stand up. So what we are going to do, again roll it and then make the circles like that, keep it over there and then press it on. When you're going to press it on, and then add some lines over there, or you can add jewelry, you can add beads, whatever the material you want to add over there. You can make even the music instruments, whatever you want to make, and then you can create your own doll. Thank you so much.